Good day everyone, I'm Dirk Vincent Cabael and today we'll talk about budgeting and expense tracking. Budgeting. Budgeting involves planning and allocating financial resources to different areas of the business to achieve specific goals within a set period, typically a fiscal year. Budgets serve as a roadmap for financial decision making, helping businesses set targets, prioritize spending, and monitor performance. Businesses can create various types of budgets, including operating budgets, capital budgets, and cash budgets. The budgeting process typically involves forecasting revenues and expenses, setting financial goals, allocating resources, and periodically reviewing and adjusting the budget as needed. Expense tracking. Expense tracking involves recording and monitoring all expenses incurred by the business, including fixed costs and variable costs. Expense tracking helps businesses control costs, identify spending patterns, and make informed decisions about resource allocation. Businesses can track expenses manually using spreadsheets or accounting software, or automatically through integrated financial management system that captures transactions in real time. Effective expense tracking enables businesses to identify cost-saving opportunities, detect and prevent fraud or unauthorized spending, and ensure compliance with budgetary constraints and financial regulations. Budgeting and expense tracking are essential practices for businesses to achieve financial stability, optimize resource utilization, and make informed decisions to support their growth and success. That's it.